So, India is a vast country. So, to avoid this confusion, like in Arunachal Pradesh, sunrise 2 hours before as compared to the western point of India in Dwarika in Gujarat. So, Indian Standard Time made that is 82 and half degree east longitude. This is the standard meridian time of India and known as IST in mobile phones. When we set the time, sometime show on upside IST or GMT. IST means Indian Standard Time. According to Indian Standard Time, we have to set our time, or Greenwich Meridian Time. Greenwich Meridian Time is in London timing. London Standard Timing is so. Is considered the time for all places in the country, means every country made their Indian standard time. Okay, not Indian, not make their standard time. So already mentioned, India is situated in the southern part of Asia. India come under the Asian continent and situated the south part as the head of the Indian Ocean. It thus occupies the south central part of the peninsula of the Asian continent. Peninsula means the area that are covered with water from all the three sides. So this peninsula tapers towards south and divides the northern part of Indian Ocean in two parts. Peninsula tapers south and divides the northern part of the Indian Ocean in two parts. First is east of the peninsula and the other is west of the peninsula. Okay, so the north extension of Indian Ocean to the west of India is called Arabian Sea, because the firstly I told you the area that are covered with the water from all the three sides. So it divides in two parts, west and east, and Indian Ocean to the west of India is called Arabian Sea and east is called the Bay of Bengal. So these two extension of Indian Ocean give India a very long coastal line. Coastal line means the areas come under sea and oceans, like Gujarat. Gujarat is a major coastal line, and the length of this coastal line in India is